This is the cornmeal mush that we made the other day, and Grandpa would like to have this for lunch today, so I'm slicing it in pieces. I took the leftover cornmeal mush and I put it in a little Corningware and I put it in the refrigerator, and it's been in there for at least 24 hours. So now Grandpa is going to fry it for himself in some butter because he would like to have it for lunch. Grandpa is putting the cornmeal mush into the frying pan to fry it.
Take about 10 minutes. This whole process is going to take about 10 minutes on one side on a medium heat until we see golden brown on the bottom edges. Then we're going to flip it over and do the other side.
Fried cornmeal mush is very popular in Italy, and this is one of the ways that you could prepare this. They also call this polenta. So it has to be fried about 10 minutes on each side till it's brown.
Put a little bit more butter in there. Got it on medium heat, so because I don't want to burn them. Just want to get them nice and crisp, nice golden brown color. Here's my plate of cornmeal mush, and more or less I like to have it with marinara sauce on it. You could have it with marinara sauce with meat in your marinara sauce, but I prefer just plain marinara sauce. And we sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on it. And then we can give it a taste.
How's it taste, Grandpa?
Delicious. Really good. That came out good.